Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs, and today is giveaway drawing day. This is the last release giveaway for the Remnants Lovely Layers, and we're going to start the new Wanderlust giveaway drawings in the same video. So what you had to do is, a month ago you had to, on the last giveaway drawing video, you had to leave a comment to vote for two, or you didn't have to vote for two, but you needed to vote for your favorite background design. And I told you guys that there were 3 left, but I told you guys that I'm only going to release 2 more, and they're both going to be released today. So there's going to be 2 winners today, so I'm going to do 2 drawings. And the reason for that is because I knew that the Wanderlust was coming out, and I don't like having 2 of them going at the same time. So the 2 that won is doily and text. So the only one that got left out was the polka dots, but that's okay. So both of these are available in my Etsy shop for the Remnants Lovely Layers printable mini album template. So now it's in doily and text. And there will be a link below. There'll actually be a link that's actually a coupon code. So what I've done is I've got the random comment picker pulled up on my phone here. I've already entered the URL for the video, and it's already picked up the comments, and I'm just going to hit start, and then I'll do this twice. I don't know if it'll let me do it again right away, but we'll see who wins. So whoever's name gets picked will get their choice of either the doily or the text. So I'm going to hit start and see whose name pops up. Wendy Milani. Oh, and she voted for text and doily. That's cool. That's very, very cool. I'm going to write your name down. Congratulations. All you need to do is, there is an email in the description box below. It is just for giveaway winners. So if anybody contacts me through there that's not a giveaway winner, you probably won't get a response from me. It's only for giveaway winners. So there'll be an email down below. You just contact me through that link or through that email. And you need to contact me before, let's see, August 30th. Or you have until August 30th to contact me to claim your winnings. So you get to choose either text or doily. So, oh, it says pick another winner. So let me hit that. And I'm going to hit start. And let's see who comes up. Judy Moretti? Oh, she picked polka dots. That's okay. Congratulations, Judy. I'm going to write your name down too. You just contact me through that email. And you pick which one you want, the doily or the text, and you have until August 30th to contact me to claim your winnings. So congratulations to both of you. Let's get to the Wanderlust. So we're going to start our background drawing today. So, I mean, I'm not going to draw today, but I'm going to show you the options that you have to vote on. I asked in my Facebook group which ones you wanted to see. So these are the ones that you guys chose yourself. So you will have, what you need to do is you need to leave a comment down below and you vote for your favorite background design that you want to see released next. And that will actually take place on, the next drawing is on September 20th, 2018. So you just leave a comment below, and then on that day I will film a video. But your choices are note paper, collage, Harley script, music notes, doily, wood, ode paper, and text. And it's possible too, I may even do 2 backgrounds at a time. We'll see. So if I do end up releasing 2 backgrounds at a time, then I will have 2 winners, obviously. So all you have to do is leave a comment below and vote for which one you'd like to see released next in the Wanderlust printable mini album template. Okay, so I also have a coupon code for you guys. Where's it at? Here it is. So I thought I would do, since this was the last Remnants drawing, and this is starting the Wanderlust, I thought I would do 25%. So here is the coupon code, WANDER25, and it's valid August 23rd, 24th, 25th, 2018, and it expires on Eastern Standard Time on like the midnight on the 25th. But it is good for 25% off of everything in my Etsy shop with a minimum purchase of $10. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a link that will actually be down in the description box for this coupon code, and if you hit that link it takes you to my shop, and then it will automatically take off the 25% at checkout, and that way you don't have to enter a code. So okay, so don't forget to leave a comment below to vote for your next background design. Don't forget that the winners need to contact me via email. Look at this, you guys. I have, do you see what I did? I had ripped one of my Post-it notes in half and stuck it back on there, and I wasn't even paying attention. That's too funny. I need to rewrite that down. Okay. So again, the winners have until August 30th to contact me via the email that's down below. That's strictly for giveaway winners only. And the next drawing is September 20th. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit this little circle right there and then hit the notification bell next to it. And here is a link to my shop if you want to check out the templates. But I would suggest you go to the link in the description box, the show more part. Go down there and hit that link so that you get your 25% off. And then there should be some other videos up here on the screen that you might enjoy watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.